And obesity it has a very clear problem. It's like a coin. You have two faces. One is the face of the patient, of the individual that says, what can I do? Which one of these miracles is going to work on me? And in most cases, no, because there are no miracles. And the same situation happens with a health professional, whether it's a physician, dietitian. Okay, so I am trying my best, and this person doesn't lose weight. So what can I do? Obviously, things that are obvious may not work. This is a study that we conducted a few years ago, and this was an obesity clinic. And then you have people that are obese. This is in kilograms, 114, and then we give them a quite drastic calorie restriction, 600 calories per day for some time, and then we move them for the rest of the year to 1,200 calories per day. And what we find is what you observe here. Well, yeah, it works, but I just described to you this case in which it works, but then you have other people that do exactly the same thing and doesn't work. And it's not because there was a difference in the baseline, it's just that in these people, diet just doesn't work. What is the difference between the ones that work and the ones that didn't work? The difference is a polymorphism in a gene that is called perilipin, and perilipin is the most abundant protein in the adipose tissue, and it's involved in the release of fat from the adipose tissue. So what is the message here? Is that when it comes to the carriers of one of these variants of the gene, of the perilipin gene, if you are using this logical approach, you are barking to the wrong tree because it doesn't work for them. These people that don't respond to a calorie restriction, they respond quite well, in fact, to the change in the type of carbohydrates from simple to complex carbohydrates. For some people, depending on the genetic variants in the perilipin gene, complex carbohydrates may not even be good because you have an increase on weight or BMI. But look at the people that were not responding to calorie restriction in the example before. They respond very well to an increase in complex carbohydrates. So here, what you have is an example of nutrigenetics or personalized nutrition or precision nutrition, how we call it now, in which based on the genome, you can then predict the response and direct people in the right direction in order to achieve the goal, that in this case is to prevent or cure obesity.
If you want to learn more about the science of epigenetics and nutrition longevity, check out my newsletter at Aronica.com and in the link below this video so you won't miss my upcoming free webinars, courses, and live Q&A.